On this episode of Mere Mortals, I install
mud flaps.
Let's take a look at what I did. So if you remember in my last video, I installed some wheel spacers, and these looked great. I've really enjoyed them so far, but they're presenting a little bit of a problem. As you can see from this shot, now my tire is actually overhanging a bit of the car, and as I'm driving, debris, rocks, everything that I'm picking up off the road is now hitting the sides of my car and the back bumper. So to stop this, I've looked into a couple of options, and I've settled on these splash guards. Now, they're not true mud flaps, and I'm really trying not to go for an over-the-top look. So after some searching and looking online, I was able to find this company, Automotive Passion. The company is based in the UK, and they had a couple of options for my car. I ended up going with the carbon fiber. I've already got enough gloss black on the car, so I wanted something a little bit different. The tools for the job are pretty straightforward. All you need are pliers, a flathead screwdriver, a T20 Bit, a hammer, and a Phillips head screwdriver. The arch guards I went with are for the Audi S3 8Y, and they really don't have a part number on the website. I went with the gloss 12 carbon and the front and rear kit. One other thing that was nice is that the kit included these replacement plastic rivets. One tool I almost forgot, I did use this nail punch. Now, you don't need to use one, but what I found is when I was trying to use a small screwdriver to push in the pins on the plastic rivets to remove them, it wasn't going so well. So I got a hammer and just lightly tapped this nail punch right on those pins, and they came out very easily. And as you can see in this shot, I'm using the needle nose pliers to just hold the pin in place. That way it doesn't move to the left or right when I'm hitting it with the hammer. Just a light tap. It doesn't take much to get it to punch in, but I didn't want it to snap off either. The only complication I ran into for the job was I did have to remove the rear wheels. There just wasn't enough room to get your hands in there to work. Other than that, it was very straightforward. Remember, when you take the wheels off, you need a 17mm socket for this particular car, and remember to tighten to 92 foot-pounds of torque.